The Samsung Galaxy A12 comes with 4 gigs of RAM paired with 64 GB of internal storage, the MediaTek Helio P35 and PowerVR GE8320, which helps in gaming. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you some gameplay on this device playing Call of Duty Mobile. This is just a game test, not a gaming review, and let it be known that there are some noticeable lags. You will see them during the gameplay. Now let's get into the gameplay.
We've taken the lead. It's too close. Fight harder.
Enemy contact.
Lost the lead. Tied for the lead. Lost the lead. It's too close. Fight harder. Hunter killer drone on standby. We've taken the lead.
Reloading.
Sentry gun ready to deploy.
Enemy down. Reloading. Cover me. I'm hurt.
Sentry gun deployed.
Boom. Headshot.
Stealth chopper on standby.
Enemy down. Target down. Tango down.
Enemy shock RC is coming.
Target down.
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted.
Down. Enemy contact. Changing mag. I'm hurt. Reloading. Enemy down. Tango down. I'm hurt. Changing mag. I got enemy contact. Boom. Headshot. Changing mag. Frag out. Tango down.
almost there. Keep it up.
I'm down! Need backup! Enemy contact!
If you found this video helpful, share, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the videos showing on your screen right now.